welcome to another Exchange 2016 video. I am Ed. In this video we're going to take a look at moving mailboxes using the Exchange Management Shell, PowerShell, instead of using the GUI or migration batches. Migration batches are effective when you want to move a whole stack of users, but you can do the same thing with PowerShell, calling a CSV file and moving it. But let's say you want to move one user, or you've got a custom user that you need to move off, or you want to move your arbitration mailboxes off, etc. Whatever the scenario is, you can do that. So let's take an example of a mailbox. So if we go get mailbox user 1, right? User 1 is located on server B, so let me just see if I can find a server on user A. Okay, so user 2, sorry, is on server A. And if we check using the format list, it will tell me which database the user is sitting on. Sorry, I forgot to just pipe it with the database name. But as you can see, there's a lot you can set on a specific database, on a specific mailbox. So you can see that this user is located on the default mail store. Now I want to move this mailbox to store 1, for example. So what you could do is could get user, and then you type get mailbox user 2, pipe it, new move request minus target database, and we want to put it on store 1. That is pretty much how simple it is to move a user, right? So while we wait for that, you can do the same with arbitration mailboxes. So if you get -mailbox minus arbitration, you can see that the system mailboxes are sitting spread across the different servers. And let's say I want to get rid of the databases they're on. You won't be able to remove the databases because of the arbitration mailboxes. So the same rule applies. You could say new move request minus target database, store 2, for example. They basically has completed. Okay, so I've done previous moves in the past. So this is basically telling you that you need to clear the move request before you can actually do it or start it. So don't worry about these errors. You will get them if you haven't cleared out your move request. If you wanted to now check your move request, you could do a get move request. You could pipe it, get move request statistics, and you can now basically see that every single mailbox has completed. I mean, this is very quick. It's not like this in production environments. You won't have a 50 gig mailbox just complete in a few seconds. It will take a little bit of time to actually move the data from one either volume on the SAN to another volume on the SAN. But the bottom line is you can see that you don't need the admin center to do a batch or to do a move. You can do it from here. You can manage from here. It's actually very easy. Thank you very much for watching.